Alright, so I'm just playing with my new Millcreek Valley game call. It's the Hootie Hoot. There's Raylan. She's playing in the water out here on a sunny day here in Pennsylvania. And Sean sent me this, just arrived in the mail today. Here's Sean's card. If y'all can see that. Back that up a little bit. Okay. So I watched a couple of videos. Actually, Sean has one on YouTube. It's just a short one, but it's gonna take me a minute to figure this out. So basically, you just do the C cup, 2 fingers, cupping it. Leave a little bit of air out the back, and you take it like you're gonna take a drink out of a bottle. We've got finger bottom lip on it. I figure when I put my both lips like this, it was a little bit harder to control. And I have my lower lip on the bottom like this. It's a little bit easier. So it's who cooks for you, who cooks for y'all. And then you're gonna roll that last one if you can in your throat. All your air's coming up from your diaphragm. That's pretty much it. Give Sean a call, local Pennsylvania veteran-owned company, and this is the Hootie Hoot. It was inspired from his father, who had just passed away. So pretty cool to have some meaning behind the call too. But it's customized. Sean makes them. This is the walnut call, and he'll call you and he'll give you examples of what they sound like, and you get to kind of pick which one you want. So the Hootie Hoot from Millcreek Valley Game Calls. Good stuff.